Alrighty guys, so this is the second race at Helmans. How do we get racing today? I have no idea. Just like last time, storms are hitting Pennsylvania like crazy. We had tornadoes down by Pittsburgh, big thunderstorms coming around, and somehow today the weather basically just went right around us. So it looks like a little showers, and then it's gonna be beautiful and it seems like it's gonna be extremely humid, so that kind of sucks. But so a little update on today. We got the Callie racing her KFX 90, all bone stock besides an air filter. We are going to be racing the Warrior. Who knows what's going to happen with that? Wasn't running all that great yesterday, so I don't know. Good luck, Ryan. And then the Brute. So all we did with the Brute was we changed the primary spring to an EPI red, so we're going to have a high stall out of the hole. And then we did change the weights to their 56 gram, I think. That's what they recommended. They said that setup worked really well for them, so we're going to see. I'm hoping we don't have an over rev problem because of the lighter weights, but hey, you never know. This was, testing. It's testing. So yeah, we're going to be there in a couple minutes, and hope you guys enjoy. Good.